Hi, my name is Ben Seltzer. I'm a toolmaker at Gramercy Tools and Tools for Working Wood in Brooklyn, New York. These are the Gramercy Carcase saws. In the 18th century, cabinet makers used a carcase saw to cut joinery for cabinet cases. Our Gramercy carcase saws maintain the traditional canted blade, lightweight balance, and folded brass back that make a carcase saw perfect for medium-sized joinery and general work around the woodshop. The Gramercy carcase saw is available with rip or crosscut patterns. The rip saw has a 13 point per inch blade, filed with 0-degree rake, and no fleam. It's perfect for sawing the cheeks of the tenon or other precise cuts with the grain. The crosscut saw is a little bit finer at 15 points per inch. It has -10 degrees rake and 21 degrees of fleam. It makes quick work of tenon shoulders and cuts stock to length with very little tear out. Both styles are hammer set and hand filed so they cut quickly and smoothly. The walnut handle on our carcase saw hangs slightly lower than on our dovetail saw and is designed for use with a pistol grip. The handle and back balance the saw to help you maintain a vertical cut. The canted blade ensures that you hit your layout on the front of the piece where you can see it instead of sawing through it on the back. The Gramercy carcase saws are proudly made in the USA and available as a complete saw or as a kit.